Introduction. Welcome to our exploration of Poland, a country that beautifully intertwines a rich history with a vibrant culture. Nestled in the heart of Europe, Poland boasts a tapestry of experiences that range from medieval castles to bustling modern cities. With a history that has seen both triumph and turmoil, Poland has emerged as a resilient nation, proud of its heritage and eager to share its stories. From the haunting echoes of World War II to the artistic renaissance of the present day, each corner of this country tells a tale waiting to be discovered. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through some of the best places to visit in Poland, highlighting not only the well-known landmarks but also the hidden gems that often go unnoticed. Imagine wandering through the cobblestone streets of Krakow, where the past meets the present, or exploring the serene beauty of the Tatra Mountains, a paradise for nature lovers. We'll delve into the vibrant culture that defines Poland, from its delicious cuisine to its lively festivals, ensuring you get a taste of what makes this country so unique. Whether you're a history buff, an adventure seeker, or simply looking to immerse yourself in a new culture, Poland has something for everyone. So, buckle up as we uncover the must-see destinations and the lesser-known treasures that make Poland a truly unforgettable travel experience. Krakow. The cultural heart of Poland. Krakow, often regarded as the cultural heart of Poland, is a city steeped in history and brimming with stunning architecture. At the center of it all lies the main market square, one of the largest medieval town squares in Europe. Here, you'll be captivated by the magnificent Cloth Hall, a Renaissance gem that has served as a bustling marketplace for centuries. Surrounding the square, the intricate facades of historic buildings tell stories of a bygone era, making it a perfect spot to soak in the city's rich heritage while enjoying a cup of coffee at a nearby cafe. Just a short stroll away, Wawel Castle stands majestically on Wawel Hill, a symbol of Polish national pride. This iconic castle has witnessed countless historical events and is steeped in legends, including the tale of the Wawel Dragon, which adds a touch of magic to its storied past. As you explore its grand halls and beautiful gardens, you'll gain insight into the royal history that shaped Poland. No visit to Krakow would be complete without experiencing the vibrant atmosphere of Kazimierz, the historic Jewish quarter. Once a thriving center of Jewish life, Kazimierz is now a lively neighborhood filled with art galleries, trendy cafes, and poignant memorials. The blend of history and modernity creates a unique ambiance, making it a must-visit destination for anyone looking to understand the diverse cultural tapestry of Krakow. Warsaw. A city of resilience. Warsaw, the capital of Poland, is a remarkable testament to resilience and rebirth. After the devastation of World War II, the city faced the daunting task of reconstruction. The old town, once a UNESCO World Heritage Site, was meticulously rebuilt to reflect its historical charm. Walking through its cobblestone streets, you'll find colorful facades and quaint squares that evoke the spirit of the past, showcasing the determination of the Polish people to restore their cultural heritage. At the heart of this historic area stands the Wawel Castle, a symbol of Poland's royal history and political significance. Once the residence of Polish kings, the castle has been beautifully restored and now serves as a museum, offering visitors a glimpse into the opulent lives of its former inhabitants. The castle's rich history is intertwined with the nation's struggles and triumphs, making it a must-visit landmark for anyone interested in Poland's past. Beyond its historical significance, Warsaw boasts a vibrant nightlife and cultural scene that attracts both locals and tourists alike. The city is alive with energy, featuring an array of bars, clubs, and theaters that cater to diverse tastes. From live music venues to contemporary art galleries, Warsaw offers a dynamic cultural experience that reflects its modern identity. Whether you're enjoying a night out in the bustling Praga district or attending a performance at the National Opera, Warsaw's blend of history and modernity creates an unforgettable atmosphere that truly embodies the spirit of this resilient city. Wrocław. The city of 100 bridges. Welcome to Wrocław, a city that enchants visitors with its charm and unique features. Often referred to as the City of 100 Bridges, Wrocław is a picturesque destination where the Odra River weaves through the landscape, creating a stunning backdrop for exploration. At the heart of the city lies the vibrant market square, one of the largest in Europe, adorned with colorful buildings that reflect a rich tapestry of architectural styles. The square is a lively hub, bustling with cafes, shops, and street performers, making it the perfect place to soak in the local atmosphere. One of Wrocław's most delightful quirks is its collection of dwarfs scattered throughout the city. These whimsical bronze statues, each with its own unique personality, serve as a playful reminder of the city's history and resilience. Originally a symbol of the anti-communist movement, the dwarfs have become beloved icons, inviting visitors to embark on a fun scavenger hunt to find them all. Just a short walk away, Cathedral Island, or Ostrów Tumski, offers a serene escape steeped in history. This charming area is home to the stunning Wrocław Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture that has stood for centuries. As you stroll along the cobblestone streets, you'll feel the echoes of the past, making it a perfect spot for reflection. Wrocław's blend of vibrant culture, historical significance, and enchanting beauty makes it a must-visit destination for any traveler. Gdańsk, a maritime treasure. Welcome to Gdańsk, a coastal gem that beautifully marries maritime beauty with a rich historical narrative. As you stroll through the long market, you'll be captivated by the stunning architecture that lines this vibrant thoroughfare. The colorful facades of the merchant houses, adorned with intricate details, reflect the city's prosperous past as a major trading hub. At the center of the square stands the iconic Neptune Fountain, a symbol of Gdańsk's connection to the sea and its maritime heritage. This striking statue of the Roman god of the sea is not only a popular meeting point but also a testament to the city's enduring spirit. Gdańsk is also renowned for its pivotal role in the Solidarity movement, which played a crucial part in the fight against communism in Poland. The historic shipyard, where the movement began, is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site and serves as a powerful reminder of the city's resilience and the quest for freedom. Visitors can explore the European Solidarity Center, which offers insightful exhibitions about this transformative period in Polish history. Beyond its historical significance, Gdańsk boasts beautiful nearby beaches along the Baltic Sea, inviting visitors to unwind and enjoy the coastal allure. With golden sands and refreshing waters, these beaches are perfect for sunbathing, swimming, or simply taking in the stunning views. Gdańsk is a destination that offers a perfect blend of history, culture, and natural beauty, making it a must-visit on your journey through Poland. Zakopane, the winter wonderland. Welcome to Zakopane, a breathtaking destination nestled at the foot of the stunning Tatra Mountains, often referred to as the winter capital of Poland. This picturesque town is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a plethora of activities year-round. In the winter, the snow-capped peaks provide the perfect backdrop for skiing, snowboarding, and snowshoeing, while the summer months invite hikers and nature lovers to explore the numerous trails that wind through the mountains. Whether you're gliding down the slopes or trekking to breathtaking viewpoints, Zakopane's natural beauty is sure to leave you in awe. One of the most distinctive features of Zakopane is its unique wooden architecture, which reflects the region's rich cultural heritage. The traditional wooden houses, adorned with intricate carvings and steep roofs, create a charming atmosphere that transports visitors back in time. The most famous example is the Villa Koliba, designed by renowned architect Stanislaw Witkowicz, which showcases the unique Zakopane style. No visit to Zakopane would be complete without indulging in the local cuisine, which is a delightful fusion of flavors. Be sure to try regional specialties like os sypek, a smoked cheese made from sheep's milk, and hearty dishes like kwaśnica, a sour cabbage soup. Additionally, immerse yourself in the local culture by attending traditional folk performances or visiting local markets. Zakopane is not just a winter wonderland, it's a vibrant destination that offers a rich tapestry of nature, culture, and culinary delights. Auschwitz-Birkenau, a historical reflection. Visiting the Auschwitz-Birkenau Memorial is a profound experience that serves as a crucial reminder of the atrocities of the Holocaust and the importance of remembering history. This site, once a concentration and extermination camp, stands as a testament to the millions of lives lost and the suffering endured during one of humanity's darkest chapters. By walking through the gates and witnessing the remnants of the camp, visitors are confronted with the stark realities of the past, fostering a deeper understanding of the consequences of hatred and intolerance. The emotional impact of the memorial and museum is palpable. As you explore the barracks, watchtower, and the haunting remnants of the gas chambers, you cannot help but feel the weight of history. The exhibits, filled with personal stories, photographs, and artifacts, evoke a deep sense of empathy and reflection. This experience is not just about remembering the victims, it is also about acknowledging the resilience of those who survived and the importance of ensuring that such horrors are never repeated. It is essential to approach your visit with respect and sensitivity. Auschwitz-Birkenau is a place of mourning and remembrance, and understanding the significance of the Holocaust is vital for fostering compassion and preventing future atrocities. By engaging with this history, we honor the memory of those who suffered and commit ourselves to promoting tolerance and understanding in our own lives. A visit to Auschwitz-Birkenau is not just a journey through history, it is a call to action for a more compassionate world. Conclusion. As we wrap up our journey through Poland, it's clear that this remarkable country offers a diverse array of experiences for every traveler. From the historical richness of Krakow and the resilience of Warsaw to the coastal beauty of Gdańsk and the winter wonderland of Zakopane, each destination presents its own unique charm and story. Whether you're exploring the vibrant streets of Wrocław or reflecting on the past at Auschwitz-Birkenau, Poland invites you to immerse yourself in its culture, history, and natural beauty. We encourage you to explore these incredible destinations and create your own unforgettable memories. Each city and region has something special to offer, whether it's the stunning architecture, delicious cuisine, or the warmth of the local people. Your adventure in Poland awaits, and there's no better time to start planning your trip. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more travel content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us continue to bring you exciting travel insights and tips. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Poland, and we hope to see you on our next adventure.